Now we will cover the last topic of topic number 2.3 actually, which is about test levels and test types. So over here, like they will explain here that which type of test should be applied at which level. As we in the last video we have covered about different type of testing: change related testing, white box testing, non-functional testing, and functional testing. And in the previous videos we have seen different levels of testing, that were acceptance testing, then system testing, integration testing, then component testing. So now we will discuss in detail about on which type of test can be applied on which level. So it is possible to perform any of test type mentioned above at any test level ideally. That we have discussed already, that any even white box testing, your functional testing, non-functional testing, change related testing, or black box testing you can apply at all test levels. To illustrate, example of functional, non-functional, white box and change related test will be given across all test level for a banking application, starting with a functional testing. So here they have taken a banking application as example, and they will discuss about all test types, how they will be applied at all test level in this particular banking application. So first of all, they are taking the type of functional testing on all the levels. So functional testing in a banking application on the component level, tests are designed based on how component should calculate, for example, compound interest, which is one of the main concept in banking application. Then on the component integration testing, the functional tests are designed based on how account information captured at the user interface is passed to the business logic. So again, it's a component integration testing that you have calculated. For example, you have captured the user interface based on how account information which is gathered on a user interface in one module is passed to the other module to apply that business logic. Then for system testing, the functional testing on the level of system testing are designed tests are designed based on how account holders can apply for a line of credit on their checking accounts. For the system integration testing, the tests are designed based on how the system uses an external microservice, or you can say COT, to check an account holder credit score, for example. For acceptance testing, tests are designed based on how the banker handle approving or declining a credit application. So these were all the functional requirements provided by the customer in a banking application. And then we have seen the functional test being applied on all the test level of testing. If the functional type of test is applied on all that level of testing in a banking application. Now the same banking application, on all test level we will apply the non-functional test. I will not read them one by one because it's too much detail, but I can simply give you an overview. For component testing, for example, you see how my CPU cycles are required to perform a complex test, how speedy my system is. For component integration testing, you can see that buffer overflows, vulnerabilities could be there. For system testing, then portability can be an issue. For system integration testing, reliability could be discussed. For acceptance testing, usability can be discussed as a non-functional requirement, as a non-functional test of type on all the test level in the banking application. Then here they have provided how the white box test can be applied, which is also a third type of testing on all test level. You can read in detail over here. This example can not only be applied on banking application but also on the other applications. Then similarly they have told about the change related test, and they have seen this type of test on all the component integration, system integration, and acceptance testing. So while this section provide example of every test type across every level, it is not necessary for all software to have every test type presented across every level. However, it is important to run applicable test type at each level, especially the earliest level where the test type occurs. So normally it is highly preferred to, it is not possible, they are saying that you can perform every type of testing on every test level in your real world, but sometimes it's highly recommended that you should perform this particular type of testing on this particular test level that you should follow. So this was everything from topic 2.3. Now we will jump to the, in the next video actually, we will jump to the next topic or the last topic of chapter number 2, which is maintenance testing. After that we will be done with chapter number 2. So if you have any doubt, any question, put in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, like our videos, and if you want you can also support us on Patreon, which is an open source forum, and over there the subscribers can contribute to the content creator, the YouTubers, starting as low as $1. So this was everything for this video. Until the next video, I wish you a very happy learning, a very nice day, and have a blessed health. So until next video, take care and goodbye.